A woman is the full circle. Within her is the power to create, nurture and transform. The aim is not only for a woman to succeed, but to keep her womanhood and let her womanhood influence society. To support the government in empowering women, give them opportunities to hone their skills, prove their potential and be able to come out of the curtains, the foundation for Modi Institute of Technology and Science was laid. Popularly known as the MITS University, it is dedicated to women, to educate them to stand up for their rights. MITS started imparting quality education to women in the year 1998. MITS received the status of a deemed university in 2004 from the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India, under Section 3 of the UGC Act 1956. MITS has various departments to support and overlook the smooth functioning of the university services. All these divisions are headed by general managers. The university follows an innovative style of teaching, where culture and tradition are well blended with modernity and spirituality. The whole campus is Wi-Fi enabled to give the students the freedom of being updated and connected. The programs are designed in an extremely comprehensive manner for each faculty, and all faculty members are well qualified and committed to adhere with the academic calendar. MITS started imparting education and research and to generate knowledge in emerging areas of science, engineering, management, humanities and law. Faculty of Engineering and Technology. FET comprises 6 departments, namely Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Department of Information Technology and MCA, Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Department of Mechanical Engineering and Department of Science and Humanities. These departments offer undergraduate, postgraduate and PhD programs in various streams. Faculty of Management Studies. FMS is among the few management institutes in the country offering dual specialization with equal weightage. The choices include marketing, finance, human resource, systems, retail management, banking and insurance and entrepreneurship. In addition, FMS offers MBA in Travel and Tourism, International Business, Family Business and Entrepreneurship. Faculty of Arts, Science and Commerce. Faculty of Arts, Science and Commerce is an educational capital for women, offering traditional and innovative programs from undergraduate to the doctoral levels like BA, BA Honours in Economics, English, Psychology, French and Vedic Astrology, BCA, BBA, BCom Honours, BSc, BSc Honours, Biotechnology, Microbiology, Chemistry and Information Technology. Faculty of Law. The faculty is running 5-year integrated graduate courses duly approved by the Bar Council of India. 5-year integrated undergraduate programs. BA LLB, BCom LLB, BBA LLB, postgraduate programs, LLM and PhD. It is true to say, educating a man is educating an individual. But educating a woman is educating the society.